Lido PDF to Excel AI has just been released, and if you're looking for an easy and efficient way to convert PDFs into fully editable Excel files, this might be the software you've been waiting for. Stick around because we're going to dive into the 7 key things you need to know about this tool, especially if you're new to AI-powered document conversions. First off, what makes Lido PDF to Excel AI stand out from the many tools out there? For starters, it's accuracy. This tool uses advanced AI to recognize complex tables and data within PDFs, converting them seamlessly into Excel without the typical errors or formatting issues other converters struggle with. Whether it's a receipt, a report, or a large dataset, Lido AI handles it with impressive precision. Now the best part is, you can try Lido PDF to Excel for free. That's right. No need to commit upfront. You can get a feel for how it works and test its features without any risk. The link below will give you access to the free trial, and it's definitely worth checking out if you handle a lot of PDF files. Another feature that sets Lido apart is its speed. Unlike other converters that may take a long time, Lido processes your PDFs in record time. This is perfect for those of you working with tight deadlines or large batches of files. With AI, it quickly scans and processes everything, turning your PDF into an Excel file faster than you'd expect. Lido's interface is another highlight. It's super intuitive, even for beginners. You don't need any technical expertise to get started. The user interface is simple, clean, and easy to navigate. Upload your PDF, hit convert, and you're good to go. The software handles the rest, so you don't have to worry about manually correcting formatting or sorting issues. A crucial point to mention is the flexibility Lido offers. It's not limited to just basic PDFs. It can handle scanned PDFs, password-protected documents, and even PDF forms. If your data is hidden in a scanned document, Lido's AI-powered OCR, optical character recognition, ensures it still extracts the data accurately. This is huge if you're dealing with non-editable PDFs or documents you can't easily manipulate. Lido PDF to Excel AI also keeps security in mind. Your files are encrypted, ensuring your sensitive data stays safe throughout the conversion process. Many users worry about privacy when using AI tools, but Lido assures that your files are deleted from their servers after processing, so your data remains confidential. Lastly, customer support with Lido is top-notch. If you run into any issues, their support team is quick to respond. Whether it's a technical issue or you just need some guidance on using a specific feature, they've got you covered. To sum it up, Lido PDF to Excel AI is a solid choice for anyone who works with PDFs and needs to convert them into Excel without the hassle. With its accurate AI engine, lightning-fast conversion, and easy-to-use interface, it's one of the best tools on the market right now. Remember, you can test it for free with the link below, so why not give it a shot? Also, I've tested thousands of AI tools, and I've listed my personal recommendations in the description below. Feel free to check them out. These are some of the best AI software options available today, and I'm confident they'll be valuable for your work. Thanks for watching.